So I am literally physically pulling on my strut to get the camber correct, because it's negative 1.8 on one side, but it's negative 2.8 on the other, and there's no adjustment on the E30. Sorry, I forgot about you. So the reason why I'm here is because I'm changing the suspension. The suspension that's on there, I'll show you that later. It's basically race or track suspension. It's trick stuff, but it's so stiff and hard, and in Bangkok the roads are so hard. I mean, it hurts. It hurts, and it hurts the car too. And if you watch my previous videos, you know I have a thing about Bilstein. So I installed Bilstein B12. Now I would have gone B14, but they don't make one for the E30, so I had to get a B12. And then even worse than that, because my engine is bigger, the Pro Kit, which is what I'm using, doesn't work with the car, because the Pro Kit's designed for the original engine. That's a 4-cylinder. I think it's a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder, one of them. And because my engine's 40 pounds heavier, it caused the car to be too low, so they had to use different springs, or should I say, my original factory springs. But to be honest with you, it's made a massive difference, so I'm happy. The problem is with the camber. Let's see if it's worked. Let's see if that Captain America crap worked. I haven't been down to the gym for 2 months, by the way. Got my ribs fixed now, so. I failed. I failed. 0.2. Well, I did 0.2. I'm not strong enough. I need to get back in the gym. Oh well. I'll sort it. Okay guys, it's me, Daniel. I am in the middle of nowhere in Bangkok. If you look over there, I didn't bring a zoom lens, but we are in 4K. You can see her over there. She's wearing her Bilstein and her lovely BBS caps. I'll get you up and close with them soon. I'm in this rather, well, let's be honest, it looks kind of derelict, doesn't it? But there's more to this place than you realise. The guy that runs this shop is known as the restoration god. So he restores old BMWs. I mean, this doesn't look so great, but this is a very rare car, because you don't get many two-doors in Thailand. And I think this has a bit of a secret inside. I think that's a 2JZ in there. This is also a very rare car. This is a two-door E36. Again, a very rare car. They didn't officially bring those out here in Thailand. E21. Again, two-door. I think they only did two-door anyway. There's quite a few E21s. I will never get one, because the E21 is just a worse version of an E30. Sorry, it's a fact. The E30, which is over there, was just an improvement in every single possible way on the E21. The only thing the E21 has over the E30, in my humble opinion, this is my opinion, is I like the, I don't know what you call these, like slats on the back. I like that design. what do they call it? The Kinkmeister? Kinky? Oh, I don't know. And of course, you got that lovely shark nose. That lovely shark nose on the front. But as you can see in here, you got lots of cool stuff. And another E21 being restored. Anyway, I'm here because, well, I'm actually not here for me. I'm not here for my E30. This lovely young lady is here. You're here, aren't you? Are we doing something special?
No, I don't talk. I'm shy.
You're shy. But we're here for something special, aren't we? Something really, really special. Something that no one's ever done before, right?
Yeah, for me.
It's specially for
me.
It's for you. It's for you. It's your car.
Yeah, it's for
It's she's having her own car done, and it will be the only one that's ever been done. Am I right? It's the only one.
Yeah.
No one's done it before.
It's special car.
Yeah. No one, and I'm not exaggerating. No clickbait. I'm not gonna lie. I did kind of come up with the plan. This is not it, by the way. I mean, the car is not here. Okay, it's not here. The car is actually somewhere over there. But we came up with this really cool idea. It's really crazy and it's never been done before. People have attempted a variation of what I'm doing, but they've never succeeded well. And I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and that's why I'm here, because the guy here, he is really famous in Thailand for doing amazing bodywork. I mean, this is not really showing the best of what he does at all, but you see these guys hard at work here. If they're doing what I think they're doing, when that's finished, it will look like a factory, you know, car. Here is what looks like is going to be an M3 replica. I can see the bumper there. I do like that splitter. Do you think I should get that? Maybe? Oh, mine's not a two-door. Yeah, I know all about these. They're a bit of a pain. Yeah, so you can see here, because the M3 had a different rake on the rear window. So you have to, well, you can see it's done. I think it's fiberglass. Yeah, you can see the wide body here. So this is going full M3 by the looks of it. And yeah, okay, it's fiberglass, but I guarantee you, if I come back here before it's done, you'll think it's an M3. It will be that good, because I've seen his cars. They're amazing. They're amazing. Another little interesting green one there. Another two-door. God, these guys are lucky, because it's so hard to find a two-door. So hard. Wow. Another E30 two-door. Everyone kept telling me, oh, Daniel, why didn't you get a two-door? I mean, in Thailand. And I've said to you previously, and I've said to them, is that I'm so sick and tired of having a two-door. Hey, those are my old seats. I wonder if they are my old seats, because I sold them. I'm suspicious. I sold them pretty cheap too. Anyway, so yeah, these guys, yeah, they specialize in the older cars. And we're going to do something really, really cool. Oh, I see something else. There's a four-door E30 like mine. Only this lucky SOB has got rear disc brakes, which I don't have, and he's got some lovely restoration work going on there. What diff's that? Yeah, that's an official E30 diff. Completely different to mine. What is that, Coney? Are those Conies? I can't see from here. You guys probably can. Yeah, that's been properly done. My car will end up here to have some little issues sorted out in the future, because I don't have really many issues at all. It's pretty damn good. You guys are going to ask about this. Here it is, the C21. Looks lovely with its shark nose. Yep, that's a Toyota engine, and let me guess what it is. I can't read it from here, but it's not the 3S. It's the predecessor to the 3S. I believe it's similar to the 6-cylinder 7M. So I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna have a look. And no, it escapes me. I mean, it's a double cam, but it is one of Toyota's first twin cam 4 cylinders, and it was a good engine. Anyway, so that's why I'm here, and I'm going to leave it at that. And I've had some serious dramas recently. Now, I don't know if that video is going to come before or after. Anyway, guys, take care. Bye-bye.